Hey everyone, I hope all of you are well. So today we are going to start our exercise 9.2 of the chapter 9, that is rational number. So from each of the sum I will show you only the first one and the last three. Okay, rest of the sums will be done by yourselves. Now see how to do these sums. First step, let's do question number 1. Find the sum of 5 by 4 plus minus 11 by 4. So, in the chapter integers we have already learned that this plus and this minus, both of these different signs will be multiplied and will be converted to a minus sign. So, just write minus sign instead of these two signs, and here we are getting this. Now, the same procedure of the subtraction of two fractions. So, here first the LCM of these two denominators, that is 4, then this 4 will divide this 4, you will get 1, this 1 will multiply the first numerator, that is 5. After that again the same procedure, this 4 will divide this 4, you will get 1, this 1 will multiply this second denominator, that will be 11. So, you are getting 5 minus 11 by 4, 5 minus 11, plus and minus both signs are there. Okay. So, operation must be subtraction. After subtracting 5 from 11, we are getting 6 and sign will be of the bigger one, that is 11. Before 11 we are getting minus sign. So, you are getting minus 6 by 4. If you are willing to simplify it, you are getting minus 3 by 2. So, this will be the answer. Let us do the next one. As I have told, I will do the last 3 sums and the first sum. So, let us do the last sum, 2 whole 1 by 3 plus 4 whole 3 by 4, 4 whole 3 by 5. Now, it will be better if you just separate these two whole numbers, 2 plus 4. With 2 we were getting 1 by 3, with 4 we were getting 3 by 5. Okay. Now, these two whole numbers will be added and these two fractions will be added. How to do this? Very easy. The LCM of 5 and 3, 15. 3 will divide 15, you will get 5 and the first numerator will be multiplied by 5. Plus 5 will divide 15, you will get 3. This 3 will be multiplied by this second numerator, that is 3. So, it is coming 6 plus 5 plus 9 by 15. It is coming 6 plus 14 by 15, that is 6 whole 14 by 15, that is the answer for the last sum. Let us come to the next one. In the second last sum of question number 1, it is written minus 2 by 3 plus 0, very easy. Add 0 with anything, we will get always that particular number. If we subtract 0 from anything, you will get that only particular number. So, this will be the answer. Let us do the question number 5 of 1, minus 8 by 19 plus minus 2 by 57. See, here first step, we will just change the sign. For plus and minus, both two different signs, we will convert it to a minus sign, because these two different signs will be multiplied and you will get a minus sign and you will get 2 by 57. Now, see, here two same signs. So, operation must be addition. So, let us add this and definitely the sign will be minus. So, 19 will divide 57, you will get 3, 3 will be multiplied by the first numerator. Here keep in your mind, always addition will be there, because the operation is addition, sign is always minus. 57 will divide 57, 1, 1 will multiply 2. So, you are getting minus 24 plus 2 by 57. So, at last you are getting 26 by 57, before that you are getting a minus sign. So, minus 26 by 57 will be the answer of this question. So, in this way we will solve the sum. Let us come to the next one. So, in question number 2.1 it is written 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. So, you have to find the LCM of these two numbers. The LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. 72 will be divided by 24, you will get 3. This 3 will be multiplied by this first numerator, that is 7. Then minus This 72 will again be divided by this 36, you will get 2. This 2 will again be multiplied by the second numerator, that is 17. 21 minus 34 by 72. 21 minus 34 means 13, of course minus, and at last you are getting minus 13 by 72. Why it is minus? Here you can assume that here is a plus sign. Plus and minus, two different signs, operation subtraction, sign of the bigger one. Okay. So, in this way we will do. Let us come to the next question. The last sum of question number 2, minus 2 whole 1 by 9 minus 6. Here you have to understand, these two numbers are having minus signs before them. So, definitely we will get a minus sign and these two numbers will be added, as I have already told. In this way we will do. Okay. Then just simplify it very well, make it improper fraction, 19 by 9 plus 6. So, at last it is coming 19 plus 54 by 9. So, you will write 73 by 9. So, this is the answer of the question number 2, 5. Okay. Let us come to the next one. It is written minus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 11. The same way, this minus sign will be put here and both of these numbers will be added. In this way we will write. Okay. So, definitely minus will be put 8 and 11, the LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. 88 will be divided by 8. So, you will get 11. This 11 will be multiplied by the first numerator. Then again this 88 will be divided by 11, you will get 8, and this 8 will be multiplied by the second numerator, and at last you are getting 33 plus 56 by 88. So, at last 89 by 88. This is the answer which is coming after calculation. Okay. Let us come to the next sum. This question, it is written minus 6 by 13 minus 7 by 15. So, this is the sum which is given here. Okay. Now, how to do this? Minus 6 by 13 will be kept in this way. Then these two minus signs means two same signs are multiplied here. So, it will be replaced by a plus sign, and in this way we will write. Again see, if we just write it in this way, 7 by 15 minus 6 by 13, then also it will be convenient for us. So, the LCM of 15 and 13, the LCM of these two numbers is 195, because 15 and 13 both are co-prime numbers, and the LCM of the co-prime numbers are their product. Okay. So, 15 will divide 195, I will get 13. This 13 will be multiplied by the first numerator, that is 7. This 13 will again divide 195 and you will get 15. This 15 will be multiplied by the second denominator, second numerator. Now, see, 91 minus 90 by 195. So, at last our answer is coming 1 by 195. Okay. So, in this way we will do the subtraction. According to your choice, you can change the places of them. Okay. Let us come to question number 3. In question number 3, the first sum, it is given 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. Now, keep it very clear in front of you. Here you are getting a plus sign, here you are getting a minus sign. So, these two plus and minus sign will bring a minus sign always. Then these two numbers will be multiplied, 9 by 2 and 7 by 4. Okay. It will be better if you just check whether any cross same factors are there or not. Means for 9 and 4, if you are getting any same factor, if you are getting any common factor, then these two will be reduced. For 7 and 2, if you are getting any common factor, then these two numbers can also be reduced by them. For this 7 and 4 means for the second denominator and second numerator, if you are getting any common factor, then these two can be reduced, and for this first numerator and first denominator, if you are getting any common factor, these two can also be reduced. If you are not getting any common factor, then only these numerators will be multiplied, 9 into 7, and these two denominators will be multiplied 2 into 4. At last you are getting minus 63 by 8. So, this will be the answer for the first question. Let us do the last one now. Question number 3, 6. 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. Now see, here at one minus sign, here another minus sign. These two minus sign will bring a plus sign because these two minus signs are multiplied. Now we will check whether these 3 and these 3 have any common factor or not. Of course, yes, these two 3's can be reduced by 3 only. So you are getting 1, and so as these two 5's, you are getting again 1. So plus 1 is our answer. Okay, let's do the second last. In question number 3, 5, it is written 3 by 11 into 2 by 5. As I have told, first we will try to find the common factors. If you are getting, then it is okay. If you are not getting, then simply multiply these two numerators and these two denominators. Here 3 and 5 both are co-primes, 2 and 11 both are co-primes, so you are not getting any common factor in between these two numbers. So simply we have multiplied them. Let us do the next one. So here you are getting plus 3 by 7 and here you are getting minus 2 by 5. Plus and minus, you will, if you multiply these two signs, you will get a minus sign. Similarly, again we will check these two numbers, we will check these two numbers, we will check these two numbers, we will check these two numbers. So we are not getting any common factor. So the answer will be 6 by 7 into 5, that is 35. So our answer is 6 by 35, of course minus 6 by 35. Okay. Now let us do the last sum, that is division of rational numbers. Let us do the first one, minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. See, exactly in the same way of multiplication we will do the signs for the divisions also. If 1 plus and 1 minus, if two different signs are being divided, then we will always get a minus sign. Okay. Then we will do the operations on the numbers. 4 divided by 2 by 3. Now next step, minus 4, this division sign will be converted to a multiplication sign and this number will be its reciprocal. Okay. Now see, the same way of multiplication we have to do. This 4 can be reduced by 2, this 2 can be reduced by 2, we will get 1. So you are getting the answer minus 6. Okay. First step you will do for the sign, here minus, here plus. So you will get a minus sign. Then this 4 will be divided by this 2 by 3. 4, this division sign will be converted to a multiplication sign and this fraction will be its reciprocal. 2 by 3 was it and it will be 3 by 2. We have reduced it and we are getting minus 6, means you can also write minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. In this way we will do. Let us do the next one, 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. Now see, as I have told, this is a plus sign, this is a minus sign. So definitely in the answer you will get a minus sign. Then this 3 by 13 will be divided by this 4 by 65. Now what to do? Next step, this 3 by 13 will be written as well. This division sign will be converted to a multiplication sign and this fraction will be its reciprocal, 65 by 4. Now just check whether is there any common factor in between these two numbers 13 and 65. Of course there is. So it will be 5, 3 and 4, no, these are co-prime numbers. 3 and 1, of course not. 5 and 4, of course not. So it will be minus 3 into 5 in the numerator, in the denominator 1 into 4. So at last the answer is coming minus 15 by 4. So in question number 4, the last sum, we are getting minus 15 by 4 as answer. Let us do the next sum, minus 7 by 12 divided by minus 2 by 13. Here exactly in the same way we will do this. Two same signs are divided, just like the previous one, two same signs were multiplied. So definitely we will get always a plus sign and then we will divide these two numbers. 7 by 12 will be divided by 2 by 13. Now plus will be there, 7 by 12, this division will be multiplication, this 13 will be as the numerator and these 2 will be the denominator. Okay. Now you are not getting any kind of common factor between 7 and 2, 12 and 13, 7 and 12, 13 and 2. So, our answer will be 7 into 13 divided by 12 into 2. Okay. And the answer is coming 91 by 24. Okay. So, in this way we will get the answer. Now, let us do the next one. 2 by 13 minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. Here you are getting a minus sign, here definitely a plus sign. So, two different signs, division, minus sign will be there. 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. Then minus 2 by 13, this 7 will be its reciprocal, means 7 by 1, and this division will be a multiplication. Now, again we will find the common factors of these numbers. No, we are not getting anything. So, minus will be there as the numerator 2 into 7, as the denominator 13 into 1. So, as the answer we are getting minus 14 by 13. So, in this way we will do all the sums which are remaining. Okay. I have done only the first one and the last 3 of each of the sum. Okay. So, your homework is you will do the rest of the sums from each and every question. Okay. I hope you have understood, very easy. If you have already learned the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the fractions, then these will become very easy, and only the operations of integers are done here. If we multiply two same signs, we will get a plus sign. If we multiply two different signs, you will get a minus sign. Today up to this class. In my next video, we will start a new chapter. Till then, stay safe. Bye everyone.